Alright, so as you know, the last couple videos I've been having audio issues. I was pretty sure the adapter I was using to plug my mic into my phone was getting worn, so I thought, okay, I'll just replace it. I went and bought a new one. It was slightly different, but same company and everything. I thought, okay, problem should be solved, so I went and recorded videos. Turns out, for some reason, that adapter can't record audio at the same quality. So every time, well, the whole video, the audio was just peaking and getting really loud and stuff, and it was extremely distorted. I sounded very robotic the whole time. It was horrible. So I got annoyed and thought maybe there was a problem with my phone. So I plugged in the old adapter that was worn just to see if it had the same problem, and it didn't. It sounded just like it should. So I tried to glue that old adapter and use it, and the glue helped the problem a little bit, but it didn't fix it. I still had audio issues. So I drove around for an hour today until I found the exact same adapter that I've always used. And I bought a brand new one. So it's the exact same one, just new. So I'm hoping now the audio issue should be fixed. If so, then perfect. You can hear me with no problems. I'm not going to cut out in the video, and we'll be good to go. Which is what I'm hoping is the case. I tested it at home a couple times. It sounded good. So I'm hoping the issue was just that the old adapter was getting worn out, and that's why if I would move a certain way, it would kind of cut out and make that little noise. So, like I said, I'm hoping that was the issue and that the problem is now solved. With that being said, if it is, we are headed to the car meet that I usually go to on Saturdays, where they have all those older classic cars and everyone just kind of stares at me while I ride through. This one should be a little bit bigger, it seemed like, with the way it was like advertised on the website. They were talking about food and music and everything, so I'm hoping this will be bigger and there's more people there. Maybe as like a end of the year send-off type of thing. But there should be more cars and stuff this time, I'm hoping for. And then I'm supposed to meet someone there with the ZX6R. They're supposed to come in a little bit, so after that I'll go riding with them and make another video. As long as I have no audio issues. Well, I mean, I'll probably ride with them no matter what. Sorry, but the whole video part is audio dependent. But we should be good. I mean, brand new adapter, but same one. So it shouldn't have issues. But nothing has seemed to be going right for me recently when it comes to videos. Like literally last time when I went to edit the Mac Miller video, turned my laptop on because I use my laptop to move the video from my camera to my phone so I can edit, and I turned my laptop on at like 49%, start transferring the video, and looked away for maybe a minute, and my laptop died at like 47%. It just went from that to 0. So I'm having a lot of technological issues. But I'm hoping at least the audio one is fixed and you can hear me without any issues, and I don't lose any of the video. Ideally, I'm going to get 2 videos in today, at least. One being a car meet, one riding with a ZX6R. But I stopped and got gas right before I started recording because the light came on, and as I was pulling out of the gas station I realized I forgot to even start recording. So I'm off to a good start. It always feels weird riding one bike for a while and then switching back to the other one, because there's a decent size difference between this and the R6. It's like just the body size alone. Oh, there's a GTR. Nice. Hopefully he's coming to this car meet. But I think he's going the wrong way, so that's not a good sign. But yeah, like I was saying, there's a pretty decent size difference between the R6 and this. So it feels weird switching back and forth. But I haven't been on this one in since the last car meet. So it's been like 2 weeks, I think. Oh man, I need in this lane, because that's where I'll have to turn right to get into the meet up ahead, but I don't want to get in it this early. But I also don't want to have to shove my way in. There's a nice Mustang, but it's going away from the meet. I don't know. The meet online said it was 3:30 to 7, so I'm assuming some people were only going to be there for a little bit and then leave. Not be there for that whole time. I wouldn't want to be. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, there's a lot more cars. Good, 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 good. Sweet. All right. See what we got. There's not a ton of cars, but there's more than normal, so I'm happy about that. This bike isn't car meet friendly, because I'm trying to go very slow through here, and it's a 1000. They don't like going slow. C8. I wonder if any of these guys recognize me. I also got the helmet and camera again, but I'm on a different bike this time.
Is presented by GIS Automotive.
Got a Beetle, Corvette, a couple Corvettes. So there's 2 C8s here. That looks nice. Does anybody want to race? My hand's cramping up from holding the clutch in. That's a cool looking Mustang. McDonald's colors. GT 500. Really old Corvette. Oh, California Special. Nice, nice. Oh, a Supra. There you go. All Supra fanboys. Those Challengers again. Mustangs. Trucks. Oh, of course. Okay, hold on. I'm putting it in neutral to get my hand to brake. Oh, that's kind of rough. These aftermarket handles, very uncomfortable. They really hurt my hand. I've noticed. More trucks. Well, I don't know why I said more. Those are the same ones. Whatever that is, looks cool. More Mustangs. A Camaro. Trans Ams. More Mustangs. Some souped up ones. Ooh, that one's got a turbo. Oh yeah. Nothing down here, just the Supra. Rick's got a Supra. This sounds really cool. Someone doing donuts. God, feels nice to give my hand a break. So there's more than usual, but it's nothing too crazy. Is that Lancer gonna participate in the car meet? I have a Lancer, but I'm not gonna enter into a car meet. Yep, he is. That's too hot. What time is it? Oof, so I gotta sit here for like a half hour before the ZX6R gets here. That's unfortunate. I'm gonna go check out the turboed Mustang, because that definitely has my interest. Can I lock it with this? So this is a new ignition that I put in. Does not lock, okay. It's unfortunate. Well, once I'm done with this video, I'm gonna unplug everything and listen to it to make sure it's recording without issues. Next time I just flash people with my gun. So it seems like it's mainly Corvettes and Mustangs and Challengers. Which is perfectly fine with me, but like American Muscle. I hope nobody talks to me. Damn, look at those. Those are nice. Big ass fucking calipers. Turbo. I'm staying on that guy's picture. Damn. It's got the Coyote badge. I'm so impressed by these calipers. And rotors. Those are huge. Please be a manual. Okay, good. It's a nice ass car. I'd definitely be willing to bet it's one of the fastest ones here. Got a Hellcat right there. Nice. Got some fat tires on the Camaro. Z01. I'm not going near that one because there's all the people sitting in front of it. That's a nice antique Mustang. It's got the antique plate. Team got a little toy version inside. Nice. Not bad. Like I said, I'm glad there was more cars here this time, but that's probably all the walking through I'm gonna do, because people stare at you a lot when you walk around, talk to yourself in public. Even though, like I said, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to you guys, but huh. I just noticed that. I think I did that. I think I did that when I hit the fence. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I'm gonna end this one. I'm gonna make sure everything's recording like it should be. I'm gonna wait around for the ZX6R to get here. Then should be going on a ride together. Hopefully that goes well. There's a orange C8 way up there. Dude, I saw a McLaren a couple days ago, and an Aston Martin. The other car meet that I accidentally found that same day on the way home. Well, on the way there, I saw a highlighted colored Aston Martin, like a newer one. It was super nice. And then on the way home, I saw a really nice green McLaren. And of course, was not recording for either one, because I was trying to save battery life on the camera. So I was pretty disappointed that I didn't get on video, but I was happy I saw them because they're really nice, especially the McLaren. Hoping to see them again someday while I'm recording. But I don't know. I mean, today's a really nice day. It's a weekend. And I already saw a couple nice cars on the way here, like that GTR and stuff. So they are out. So maybe we'll see something today. But like I said, I'm going to check on things and wait around. And if everything's good, I'll see you shortly for another video. Have a good one.